Next we'll be installing the spark plugs. So I got Bosch spark plugs. Part number is FR7K333X9603. Now these are double iridium spark plugs, and they say to torque it down to 28 Newton meters. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that much because the workshop manual says 18 Newton meters. So I'll go 18 Newton meters first and then see. And you need a 16 mm deep socket like this. This one also is magnetic, so it helps in removal, and you need an extension as well. So let's go ahead and install it. I'm going to apply some anti-seize on the spark plugs as well, so it doesn't corrode inside. So these are how the spark plugs looks like. Let's apply some anti-seize. So let's go ahead and install it, the first one. So as per factory they say to go with 18 Newton meters, but Bosch says 28 Newton meters. So I'm just going to go with 20 right now. Okay, next we're going to install the coil packs. So the part number for these two bolts is 9011906683. So you need to install this here. These are 10 mm bolts. So next we'll be installing the airbox. This is alright, but we'll be installing a new one. So when you connect the airbox, don't forget to connect this small air hose underneath the airbox. Okay, so I think it's one of the vacuum lines. There's also a tiny hose here which you need to connect, so don't forget to connect that. So that's it, I guess. We just need to tighten this screw now. Oh, I need to insert this in place. Okay, this blue connection here that you see, it actually goes to the airbox. So it's just underneath here. Just connect it. And that's it. So that's connected. So now we will cover the top of the airbox. Next we'll be connecting the MAP sensor. What's this? Next we'll be installing the hood latch. So there are 3 bolts. Just remove them and install them. So take the hood latch and place it over here like so. Then just tighten the 10 mm bolts. So the hood latch is in. Next step is to fill the engine with the engine oil, the power steering fluid, and the transmission fluid. We'll do it last, not now. Guys, don't forget to connect this line as well. This thing goes down here. I'll show you. All the way down. It's there. That's where it should be connected. The last wire that we had to put, I found it difficult to insert it from the top, so I went from under the wheel well, and I just went by feeling and just started spinning it around, and it fell into place. So that wire is connected now. So you'll have to do that from under the wheel well. Once this wire pops into place, you'll hear a clicking noise. So that's when you know that it's inserted properly. Next we'll fill the power steering reservoir with the power steering fluid. So for the power steering fluid, I'm using Valvoline's ATF Dex 3 fluid. So this is what is recommended by the company. I put the power steering fluid in. So next we need to connect this hose from the top of the radiator to the coolant reservoir. So let's do that. So you need to keep this a bit loose actually. Okay, so first we connect this hose on top of the radiator. Now you connect this on top here. And this hose is a bit of a stretch of. So as per the instructions on the bonnet, the coolant bleeding procedure is done by placing the coolant reservoir on top of the hood latch. And then you'll have to connect these three hoses. Also when you install the airbox, make sure to connect this blue connector over here at this point. You also need to connect this small hose to this point over here. So don't forget that. So the last step in this episode is filling the engine with the engine oil. I've already done this in a previous episode where I removed the oil pan and did the oil service. So I'll leave the link to that episode right above here so you guys can go watch that. And that's it for this episode. In the next episode, I'll be showing you how to bleed the coolant the right way. And we'll also be starting the engine. So stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this content, please do hit the like button and do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already. And until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.